How to activate the DBS credit card. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to activate your DBS credit card, make sure to follow each of the steps. First of all, make sure you have updated and downloaded the latest version of the DBS Bank. Once that is done, launch it and you should land to this page. From this page, tap on the login button and provide your credentials to get logged in into your account. Now that you have logged in, you will see the page like this. From this page, tap on the More icon which is on the bottom right corner. Doing so, you will see a list of options under Manage Cards and Loans. Make sure to tap on the very first one which says Activate Cards. Tapping on Activate Cards should take you to this page from where you can select either you want to activate your credit card or the debit or ATM card. Select the credit card from the option. Then choose the specific credit card that you want to activate, such as Visa Platinum, Core Brand Visa Platinum, or any other. Once that is done, you'll have to enter your NRIC or passport number along with your name and tap on Activate Card. And there you go, by these simple steps, you can activate your DBS credit card. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.